Welcome to Planet Crypto Today, your channel for news related to the world of cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin price starts week positive, pushes towards $25,000. Wall Street falls at Friday's close on fears of Fed's aggressive stance on rates. Will XRP finally move up if Ripple wins against SEC? Header a hash graph HBAR shows strong price and TVL boost amid bull run. Crypto's next bull run will come from the east, says Gemini co-founder. Founder of volatile crypto exchange arrested. Helium Network sets migration to Solana for March. Zambia tests technology for crypto regulation, says Minister Motardi. Bitstamp CEO says cryptocurrency regulation is needed. 5 meme coins that outperformed Shiba Inu and Doge in February 2023. Bitcoin price starts week positive, pushes towards $25,000. The price of Bitcoin has risen at the start of this week and is approaching $25,000, after fluctuating around $20,000 for the past few weeks. The increase in the price of Bitcoin comes after several major companies announced plans to adopt the cryptocurrency, which has generated greater interest from investors. The rise in the price of Bitcoin is also due to the reduction in the supply of the cryptocurrency, as the amount of Bitcoin in circulation is expected to decrease in the coming months. However, some experts believe that the increase in the price of Bitcoin may not be sustainable in the long term. Wall Street falls at Friday's close on fears of Fed's aggressive stance on rates. Wall Street markets closed lower on Friday due to fears that the U.S. Federal Reserve Fed will maintain an aggressive stance on interest rates, which could negatively impact the economy. Last week, the Fed indicated that it could raise interest rates earlier than expected due to rising inflation. This has raised concerns among investors about the future of the economy. Shares of technology companies and companies more sensitive to interest rates have been the most affected. However, some analysts believe that the market downturn could be an opportunity for long-term investors. Will XRP finally move up if Ripple wins against SEC? XRP, the cryptocurrency associated with Ripple, has been in a state of uncertainty since the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) filed a lawsuit against Ripple in December 2020. The lawsuit accuses Ripple of selling XRP as an unregistered security, which has led to a significant drop in the price of the cryptocurrency. However, Ripple has filed a motion to dismiss the SEC's lawsuit, arguing that XRP is a digital currency and not a security. If Ripple wins the lawsuit, it's possible that the price of XRP will recover, although some experts believe that regulatory uncertainty will continue to impact the price of the cryptocurrency. Header a hash graph HBAR shows strong price and TVL boost amid bull run. The cryptocurrency HBAR, associated with the blockchain platform Header a hash graph, has seen a significant increase in its price and total value locked TVL in recent days. HBAR has risen over 50% in the past 7 days and its TVL has increased to over $2 billion. This increase is due in part to the launch of BAR's rewards program, which allows users to earn HBAR tokens by interacting with the platform. It has also been announced that the cryptocurrency platform Bitfinex will add support for HBAR. Crypto's next bull run will come from the east, says Gemini co-founder. Gemini cryptocurrency platform co-founder Cameron Winklevoss has stated that the next cryptocurrency bull run will come from the east, referring to the Asia-Pacific region. According to Winklevoss, countries in this region have a more ingrained investment culture and are rapidly adopting cryptocurrencies. Winklevoss also highlighted the importance of regulation in the cryptocurrency market and the need for regulators to find a balance between protecting investors and allowing innovation. Founder of volatile crypto exchange arrested. The founder of volatile, a cryptocurrency exchange, has been arrested in Russia on charges of fraud. Sergei Potapenko and other accomplices deceived investors into investing in a cryptocurrency pyramid scheme, promising high profits in exchange for buying their native cryptocurrency. They actually used the investors' money to pay the former members of the scheme. The value of Lito's cryptocurrency fell after the announcement of the arrest. Helium Network sets migration to Solana for March. Helium Network's IoT devices network will move to Solana's blockchain starting in March. The migration will allow greater capacity and speed of the network, and will improve the scalability and interoperability of Helium. In addition, Solana has a lower transaction fee and allows for the creation of smart contracts. Helium Network uses its own cryptocurrency, HND, to incentivize user participation in the network and provide a decentralized IoT solution. Zambia tests technology for crypto regulation, says Minister Motardi. Zambia has begun testing blockchain technology for cryptocurrency regulation, according to the finance minister. The goal of this initiative is to enable authorities to monitor and control operations in the country's cryptocurrency market. The adoption of blockchain technologies is seen by the Zambian government as a way to boost the country's economy. In this sense, the finance minister has highlighted the importance of exploring new forms of financial technology. Zambia thus joins other African countries, such as Nigeria or South Africa, that are working on cryptocurrency regulation through the use of blockchain technologies. Bitstamp CEO says cryptocurrency regulation is needed. According to Bitstamp CEO Julian Sawyer, the cryptocurrency industry needs more regulation to ensure its sustainable growth and the protection of investors. Sawyer also urged regulators to work closely with the industry to develop effective regulatory frameworks that do not stifle innovation. Additionally, he suggests that cryptocurrency regulation should be based on principles already used in other financial sectors. The opinion of the Bitstamp CEO reflects an increasingly common sentiment among cryptocurrency industry leaders, who see regulation as a way to provide clarity and stability to a still nascent and constantly evolving market. 5 meme coins that outperformed Shiba Inu and Doge in February 2023. The craze for meme cryptocurrencies continues with the rise of new coins that outperform the most popular ones like Shiba Inu and Dogecoin. In February 2023, there are 5 meme coins that have outperformed these two in terms of gains: Floki Inu, Kishu Inu, Akiti Inu, Shih Tzu, and Corgi Inu. Floki Inu has been the most outstanding of these coins, with a 1,800% increase in its value in February. Despite the volatility and risk, the popularity of these coins continues to grow.
If you like the video, subscribe to our channel and don't miss a single video. Don't forget to give it a like and share it with your family, friends, or enemies on your social networks.
Don't feel fucking